A delicious blend of Tex-Mex flavors and Italian comfort. Cheesy taco pasta is today's Madalicious recipe.
Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Madalicious in Every Meal. Madali and delicious recipes brought to you by San Miguel Foods, Home Foodie. I'm JC Caparas. Today's Madalicious recipe combines the zesty flavors of your favorite tacos with the comforting goodness of creamy, cheesy pasta.
First, let me introduce our most trusted San Miguel Foods ingredients. Dairy Cream Classic, Magnolia Cheesy Squeezed Pimiento, and Magnolia Cheesy Milky White. Now, here's our complete list of ingredients. So be ready to take a screen cap. Let's cook! Unang-una, we need our Dairy Cream Classic. Add to your pan to give our Madalicious dish a rich, buttery flavor. Once melted, sauté thinly sliced onions. Toss in your diced red bell pepper. Sauté for a few seconds. Next, add your ground meat. You can use either beef or pork. Cook thoroughly. Timplahan na using our taco seasoning. Haluin ng mabuti. And here's an important tip. You can also make your own taco seasoning. Here's a list of what you'll need. Screen cap nyo na ang ingredients natin. Add the tomato sauce and cover. Simmer for about 10 minutes. Turn off the heat. Time to add our cheese. Squeeze in some Magnolia Cheesy Pimiento and start dropping in the cubes of Magnolia Cheesy Milky White. And mix everything. For our final step, mix in our cooked macaroni. There you have it, our Madalicious Cheesy Taco Pasta. For an extra cheesy touch, add more Magnolia Cheesy Pimiento spread on top before serving. This Madalicious recipe makes 6 servings, perfect for a family meal or even a small gathering. It's rich, flavorful, and dahil madalicious, so easy to make. Tikman na! Hashtag Madalicious as expected. Try this at home and share your creation with us. Until next time, here on Madalicious in Every Meal.